Hey, it's been a while. What is up? Welcome back to the channel. Today is a very special day because I am preparing for my dyno tune. Tomorrow, I'm getting a Visconti Flex Fuel kit installed on my car, and that means I'll be able to run E85. That means more power, and I'm super excited for that. But first, I have to pack my car, because right now, please excuse how dirty my car is because it's like 18 degrees right now. All the water is frozen, so I can't wash her. But I'm on winter tires. And anyone who knows in the Northeast, if you go on the dyno with snow tires, they will get ruined and actually read a lot lower than what you're at. So I'm gonna clean out the trunk, throw the summer wheels I have in the trunk, and I have 3 VP jugs that I'm gonna fill with the 85 later tonight, and then I'll be all ready for tomorrow morning. Alright, so I just took the spare tire out and the rear trunk liner, boot, whatever you call it, and then my idea is to stack my summer wheels in the trunk in place of the spare. So let's see if this fits. Holy crap, guys, it actually fits perfectly. So my rear 2 summer wheels are in here, and then I just have to put my breaker bar, my torque wrench, because I'm actually going to be swapping these out right before going to the dyno tomorrow. And I have to fit my small jack probably down there, and then I think everything should fit. Let me give that a shot. Okay, looks like I'm all packed and ready to go. So I got both my wheels, a pair of gloves, I got my torque wrench, breaker bar, my lug nuts, impact gun, and this is actually pretty funny. You know the bar that goes on the jack? I was running out of space and I kind of just wedged it in between the seats, so it kind of looks like a mini roll bar. Alright, so I gotta head back to work. Next clip you'll see, it was probably be at the gas station filling the jugs up with the 85. Alright, peace. Alright, welcome back. First time filling the jugs with the 85. Like a surreal moment. Alright guys, I just filled up on the E85, all 3 jugs. I got about maybe 12.5 gallons or so. So I'm gonna get some sleep and then I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. We're gonna hit the road early. Alright, peace. Alright, so we're on the way to Procom Racing down in Toms River. But take a look at what we're driving in right now. Snowstorm. Be a little late, but it is what it is. Alright, so we made it up to Procom Racing, and it is so bad outside. I don't know if you could tell. I don't know how we're getting home. This is what the place looks like. There's the shop dog. He's sleeping. Got a nice little layout here. Complimentary snacks. And there's my car. About to get dyno. Oh, what a long freaking day. So something went wrong when my tuner hooked up the Ecutech cable to the car and to his laptop. Basically, what happened was the computer wasn't picking up like a flex fuel compatibility, I should say, with my car for whatever reason. And we, as you saw in the last clip, the snow was getting really bad. So we were both kind of fighting for time, and he could have done like a custom tune regardless if Ecutech, you know, messaged him back and gave him some sort of updated file for my car. That would have taken a couple hours to do, and that we both didn't really have. So not knocking Procom at all. I mean, they're an amazing shop. They do really high-end builds and, you know, stuff like that. It was not a good day to do it, really. Left my E85 there because I'm heading back there next Thursday. It's exactly a week from now. And yeah, well, the actual flex fuel sensor, the kit itself is installed already. It's pretty cool. It comes with like an ethanol content analyzer. It's like a little gauge that shows you exactly how much E85 content you're running at the time. It's pretty cool. It's in the engine bay right now. I'll probably relocate it to, you know, somewhere in the engine bay. Somewhere in the cabin, just so I could monitor. But at the end of the day, I can't be really too mad because, you know, the main concern was just getting back home in one piece because it was getting really bad out, especially on like the Garden State Parkway back home. It legit looked like an ice age out there. But I'll show you the flex fuel kit now, I guess. It's pretty cool. There it is right there. The Visconti flex fuel sensor. And then there is the ethanol content analyzer. This is the little gauge that I want to relocate to the cabin. They actually had to tow me out of there. That's why I threw on my front tow hook. But yeah, that's it. Be heading back down there next week, and then I'll see exactly how much power I make. But anyway, thank you for watching. Peace.